Hello friends. In this video I am going to show how to install GSI on Redmi 8A or 8A Dual. Requirements. Bootloader must be unlocked. Use 64-bit TWRP, link is in description. I am not responsible for any brick of your device. In this video I am using Corvus OS GSI. If you want to install any other GSI, then download for ARM64AB. Now go to TWRP. Now click on GSI image. Select system partition. Now flash Tek-Repack vendor. Now click on format data. Type yes. Now reboot to system. If you face any problems, then visit My Blogspot. You can see I have successfully installed GSI. Thanks for watching.